This is a press statement issued by the chairman of the 8 branches of Nigerian Bar Association in Rivers State on the Rivers State local government elections scheduled for Saturday, 5th October 2024. In view of the forthcoming elections in Rivers State, on behalf of the 8 branches of the NBA, we wish to state as follows. Local government elections are part of the democratic process of our country as provided in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended. And therefore, it is a process sanctioned by law. And the local government election in Rivers State is not an exception. As we all know, there are several court judgments on the Rivers State local government electoral issue, which are already widely circulated in the social media. And we do not think it necessary to recount these judgments. Sadly, most of these judgments are from courts of coordinate jurisdiction and have been subject to diverse interpretations. While we do not want to overflog the issues on ground or stoke the embers already burning, we must reiterate that the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria is the ground norm from which all government agencies and institutions derive their validity, and they are bound to obey same. We also emphasize that any law or judgment that is inconsistent with the provisions of the Constitution is null and void to the extent of its inconsistency. Now, security agencies, they have a constitutional duty of maintaining law and order in the country. But if they choose to abdicate their constitutional role, then they only ridicule democracy and they ridicule our Constitution. As far as we can see, we want to state categorically that there is no legal impediment to the conduct of the local government elections in Rivers State. And the NBA branches in the state intend to, and are in fact already participating in the process as observers. It is right that statutory bodies cannot be stopped from performing their constitutional roles in any guise whatsoever. We therefore encourage all residents of Rivers State who are registered voters to go out on the election day, which is 5th of October 2024, and exercise their franchise. We further advise Rivers indigents and residents in the state to be peaceful and law-abiding in the course of the electoral process. We all need peace in Rivers State, and we all must do our best to ensure that the electoral process is peaceful. Indeed, there can be no progress in an atmosphere or in a society where there is no peace. There can be no investment. Our businesses cannot thrive. And we want to call on all parties to shift their thoughts. Let the democratic process take its course and let us have the elections tomorrow.